This is the T-Mobile Phone Pro, and today we are going to demonstrate that you can turn on the speaker while on call on this device. First of all, let me just go ahead and dial somebody. And once on call, all that it's left to do is to tap on this icon. Let me just do that one more time real quick. So tap on this icon.
Połączenie nie może być realizowane z przyczyn technicznych.
And as you could have just heard, that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the speakerphone during the call on this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.